In 2024, the YALIS factory has moved to Jiangmen, Guangdong, covering an area of 10,000 square meters. Since 2020, we have invested over $500,000 USD in automatic production equipment. Until now, we have auto CNC machines, 2 auto die casting machines, and 3 auto drilling machines. During the busy season, thanks to automatic machines, we can be a 24-hour factory to meet the customer's order requirements. Here is our polishing factory. In addition to automatic polishing equipment, we also have a polishing team of about 15 people. Each member has more than 10 years of polishing experience, specializing in manual polishing of door handles with complicated and different shapes. Polishing is very important for the tactile feel of the hardware. We use special coarse and fine abrasive belts for sanding, and finish with cotton spandex for a glossy surface, so that bubbles and ripples do not form during the plating or oxidation process. In addition, we have invested into auto polishing machines, robot arm. Quality is the life of enterprise. We attach great importance to the quality of our products. Here is our quality assurance workshop. This is the first point of entry for all goods into the warehouse, where the quality control staff carefully check all kinds of rough and plated parts and other semi-finished products on a daily basis. We have an internal product laboratory, including salt spray test machines, cycle test machines, etc. We have passed the ISO quality certification, management system and standards, and certified by Intertech to ensure that every one of our products meets international standards.